Record na po yan, no? Kunwari, I am doing something, no? Okay? So, this is part of practical. It is ongoing orientation for the automated election from May 10, 2010. Okay? So, nasa tennis po po na tinatawag natin ng people. So, we call this the machine count optical scanner. At actually nasa process na po tayo ng generating of many copies of local returns. At ulit yan, gumagana yan, kasabi ko yan. Maraming salamat po. So bahagi po ng ka-grupo natin ngayon, second batch para sa practicum on this ongoing orientation for the automated election come May 10, 2010. Ayan po yung mga ka-batch po natin having their hands-on sa ating mga PCOS machines here at Claveria, Cagayan. Okay? Yes. May ebidensya na si Sir Tony. Yan. Okay. And to the rest of the pack, yung kagrupo po natin, okay? Medyo nag-antay na lang nasa process of generation na lang. Si Ma'am Fel is here. Talagang, okay. And, yes, happy na. Okay. And everybody, oops, teka mo. Ayan, madilim. Okay. Okay. Ayan. Bilang na bilang po natin yung grupo natin, the second batch na nagbigay ng hands-on. Ayan, si Sir Sek. All smiles yan. Ready.
Come to Facebook, sir.
Yes. They are requesting me to post it sa Facebook. It shall be done. Okay? At balikan natin naman yung PCOS machine natin na we are still in the process of generating 22 copies of the local returns, and we are now 21 out of 22. So we are about to end yung ating practicum. Ulitin po natin, this is in connection with the ongoing orientation on the synchronized national automated election that will be on May 10, 2010. Ulitin natin, ang actual location natin is here sa Claveria Agri-Base Multipurpose MPC. Okay? Siyempre kasama natin dito yung mga examiners natin. We have here Mr. Rosario. Then ang examiner natin, we have Sir Manny Alipio. And of course, yung mga friends from the COMELEC. Ayan. Si Ma'am Paz of Ballesteros, si Risa, I know her pretty well, okay, and yung mga friends pa rin natin from COMELEC. Thank you so much, ma'am and sir.